In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can loop a video on YouTube, or how you can make a video replay itself on YouTube. So it's very much simple and easy. So what you need to do is you just hop on your preferred video. So I'm going to use a video of mine here. I don't want to use any other video. Maybe I'm going to catch copyright, something like that. So let me use a video of mine. So on the video, you just need to right click like this, and you can see loop here. Then you tap on that. So it's very much simple when you're doing this on your PC. Very simple. You just right click here and then you turn it off, something like that. You right click and then you turn it on. So when you loop a video on YouTube, it means this video is going to replay itself. Anytime it ends, it's going to replay itself. So I'm going to make a video on how to loop a video on a mobile phone as well. So on a mobile phone is a bit complicated, but then in my next video I'm going to do that. So if you find this video and you want to do the same on a mobile phone too, you can check my next video out on my channel. That's it for the video. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.